If I were talking to one of my peers about looking at the integration of medical and dental services and why they should do it, I would share the following points. First, so many of us have entered into the healthcare field because we want to make a difference. And the difference, in my opinion, can be multiplied by looking at integrated aspects within the healthcare sector. So imagine, if you will, the examination scenario that I've talked so much about in the dentist chair and the things that you can find out about other chronic conditions just by examining the oral cavity. When that information is shared in the medical space, the impact is multiplied. It's just not fixing a tooth or dealing with periodontal disease in the mouth, but it's also then looking at that chronic condition that's present that we found during that exam and treating that as well. That's a tremendous benefit to everyone, the system, the patient. And so if you really want to have impact, think about the multiplier that happens there. The second main reason that I would say is the increase in the goodwill and the uplift from a brand reputation standpoint. And I think that's a good thing. Organizations should be recognized for doing innovative things to make things better and easier for patients. And if you want your organization to be known for these things, and you want to see the results of those in terms of your brand goodwill, this is a great way to do it. The other thing that I would say is there's a tremendous opportunity in the journey to understand medical and dental integration relative to identifying new opportunities. There are new business propositions that are out there, new ways to expand your business through this journey and understanding where some of the challenges are. There's a whole litany of things that are yet to be created, but are waiting for someone to step into that space and come up with solutions around. So these are some of the, I would call them, overwhelming benefits of going down this path. The last benefit is really around leveraging the cultural component for your organization and what you'll realize by doing so. What does that mean? What that means is organizations that put that stake in the ground and say, we want to improve the overall health of patients everywhere, you get a tremendous positive benefit from the people that work for you, because people feel good about organizations that want to help society, that want to help others beyond just the organization itself making money. And so people tend to rally around a vision, a mission that says, we will and we are committed to driving better outcomes. So that culture is something, that cultural uplift is something that's hard to generate on its own. And this is a very natural way to capitalize on the cultural positive impact that can occur. These are some of the reasons why I would say to any of my peers and colleagues, you should investigate the integration of medical and dental and other healthcare components.